Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kaiser Permanente member account, online guide step by step clearly. To activate your Kaiser Permanente member account, start by visiting the official Kaiser Permanente website at www.kp.org. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, find the Create an Account link, usually positioned beneath the sign-in fields. Click on Create an Account to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enter some personal information. Fill in your details, including your name, date of birth, and member ID. Ensure that the member ID you enter is accurate, as it is essential for account activation. After filling out the required fields, click on Continue to move forward. The next screen will ask you to verify your identity. You might need to provide additional information, such as your zip code or address. Carefully follow the prompts for identity verification. Once verified, create your username and password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your username and password, click Submit. You may receive a confirmation email to finalize your account setup. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. Upon confirmation, return to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password. Click on Sign In to access your member account. Congratulations, your Kaiser Permanente member account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.